guys, welcome Material Secret. I'm Savory. Today's topic is about Suede leather. Okay, let's cut to the chase. Suede leather is most premium among genuine leather. It is usually made by special processing of the leather surface to give it a matte texture. This processing method not only retains the natural texture of leather, but also gives the furniture a high-class appearance. Suede leather is utilized in kinds of premium furniture like sofa, chair, bed, and so on, which makes each item more details and better taste. Let's see this set of blazer. Full suede leather, put here as L shape, matches this coffee table and carpet, creates a deluxe vibe. Thanks guys for watching all. Let's talk about other materials next time. If you are interested in our content, please subscribe below and click on the small bell. Okay, that's for all today. Bye!